Hey y'all, what's going on? Another review, and this time this one is the Coach 1941. Now this isn't the clutch. Well, you can say it's a clutch, but this one right here is the wallet. It's the glove tan wallet, the 1941 collection. I got this one off of MERCARI, and I don't know the retail price of it, but I paid $35 for it, which I thought was a really great deal. So, and this is in the color, it's like a bluish kind of color. It may look black, but it's like a blue. And so here it goes. And see, as like the other ones, this one right here don't have the back pocket. You know, this one, let me show you. See, this one has the back pocket, and then this one don't. And they the same size. So, but like I said, this one has a pocket and this one don't, because this one is just considered the wallet. So, and it came with the little tag, and then it does still have the wristlet attached. And then this time the glove, the genuine glove tan leather, it's right here. It's wrote right here, and on the other ones it's written in the middle. And then there's a little pouch there, and a little pouch there, pouch here, pouch there, and pouch there, and then your two card things. That's about it. And like the other ones, you know, the other ones, they will have the clips where you can do a crossbody, and this one don't, because it's just the wallet. I just wanted to show y'all. Thought that was neat. Just want to show y'all that real fast. And you know, if y'all catch them sights, because y'all be up all times of the morning, because right now I think it's probably like 1 o'clock in the morning. I be up all times of the morning and stuff, just looking. I just scroll through there, and if I see somebody, ooh, that's a good deal. But I am gonna sit down somewhere, because I don't order so much stuff offline. I don't think I've ordered this much stuff online in my life or whatever. And it's not like I'm just sitting at home just ordering stuff, because I still have to work. But you know, you can't go to the stores, you can't really too much do anything else. So I just be on the internet just looking and buying. Well, I ain't gonna say just looking, but I'm just buying. But anyway, here's this one. I just want to do a little quick review on, well, not a quick review, just to show y'all what I got off of MERCARI. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.